Good afternoon, Andre. How are you?
Good.
Good. All right, so today we're going to begin our lesson. We're going to start with a three-part drill. Ready? All right, so when I show you the letters, tell me the sound that that letter makes, okay? All right, let's go. What is this?
D.
Good job.
Z. Sh. W. E magic E.
Good job.
U magic E. G.
Up.
A. O.
Good job.
I. I.
Good job.
I magic E. E.
Good job.
M.
Good job.
O magic E.
Good job.
U.
Good job.
O.
Good job.
M. A.
Good job.
S. Pro. A magic E.
Good job, Andre. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the sand. Sand time. So silly. Okay. And now, with the sand, I want you to smooth this out of the way some. All right. I am going to tell you the sound, and now you are going to write, all right, all the different ways you know to make that sound, all right? Eyes on me. First one is B. Repeat.
B. E says B.
Good job. Shape. Okay, for the next one, I want you to draw two lines because there is 3 ways you know how to make this sound. Repeat.
C says K. K says K. C K says K.
Good job. Shape. Okay, eyes on me. Draw one line. You know 2 ways to make this sound. D. Repeat.
D. D says D. D says D.
Good, right? Great job. Shape. Okay, eyes on me. You know 3 ways to make this sound. Repeat. Okay.
F says F. F says PH says.
Good job. Shape. Eyes on me. You know, you can draw one line. You know 2 ways to make this sound. The sound is O. Repeat.
Ooh.
Okay.
L says room. L says room.
Good job. Shape. Eyes on me. Qu. Repeat.
W. Q says Q.
Good job.
Giving you technically.
We are. Okay. Shape. All right. How about this one? Ch.
C.
Ch.
Oh yeah. C H says ch.
Good job. Shake. This one is sh.
S H says sh.
Good job. Shake. Shake. Okay, for this one, draw one line. Now you know 2 ways to say the long A.
Oh yeah. Sorry. A says A. A magic E says A.
Good job. Shake. Okay, so for this one, it's kind of spicy. Draw 2 lines.
Okay.
you know 3 ways to say the long E.
Okay. E says E. Oh. E, A says E. And E, magic E says E.
Good job. Shake. Okay. How about this one? Boo. Repeat.
Boo.
Write it.
B, L says boo.
Good job. Okay. Shake. All right. Last one. Oak. Repeat.
Oak. L, K says oak.
Yes. LK says oak. What's the sound again?
Oak.
Good job. All right. Great job, Andre. So now it is time to blend it. I know we got a little bit of sand on Andre. Focus. I know we have a little bit of sand on the table, but that's fine. Okay, we're gonna set up the blending board. Make sure you see. Okay, so now you are going to blend all the sounds together. All right, you ready? What is this?
Z, R, D, Zod.
Good job.
Maybe Zod.
Okay, what is this next one?
Z, R, T, Zod.
Good job.
S, A, T, Sad.
Good job.
It's a weird word, but it's a long spelling.
Oh, okay. So great recognition. What is this?
Og, sog.
Good job.
Ig, sig.
Good job.
In, chin.
Good job. How about if I add magic E to that? What would that word become?
Smime.
What is it?
I'm. Sign.
Good job. Because that magic E changes that vowel. Great job. Okay, let's try this. What is that?
In, sin.
Good job. Is that a real word? Have you heard the word before? Yeah, that's a
In
real
the
word.
Bible.
Yeah, in the Bible. So make sure when you hear the words, thumbs up. Okay, let's try this.
In, vin.
Good job. Okay, just let me know. But if I go like this, what would that be?
Ein, vine.
Good job. And that is a
It
real
becomes a new word.
Yep, becomes a real word. Let's try that out.
And, then.
Good job.
Like Venn diagram.
Oh, okay. Great observation.
And, when.
Good job.
It is a real word, but it needs an H.
Okay, so it's not the right spelling.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go.
S, wish.
Good job.
Rep.
Good job.
Fep. Up. The thing that's not CK. Fope. Pull. Rope. It's a real word, but wrong spelling.
Right, it's the wrong spelling because you know that's O-A. How about now?
Rap. Yeah.
Like me.
Rap, I just like Drake.
Good job. And I think, good job. That is the end of the blending board. Well, you did an excellent job on your 3-part drill, Andre.
Yay.
Okay. All right, Andre. So it is now time for our new concept. Are you ready? Okay, you have to listen very carefully because I'm going to read a sentence and I want you to tell me the sounds that you hear in each word in that sentence. You ready? Quaint maids paint snails' tails. I'll repeat it. Quaint maids paint snails' tails. All right, so what sound did you hear?
A.
You heard the A sound, great. So that is
L&D.
sound, yes. So this is A as in male. So AI says A as in male. So what's those letters?
AI
Says what?
A like in Maine.
Like in
Maine.
Like in male. Great job. And I actually have some additional objects to show you. This is a piece of what?
Mail.
Mail. So we have a piece of mail. This is some paint.
Paint.
What is this?
Color.
Yeah, paint. Watercolors, paint. And this is actually a pail.
Pail.
Yes, it's Addison's pail. So we know that paint, mail, and pail all have that new sound, AI, in those words. And it's actually important to note, Andre, that you will hear the AI, the A sound,
Hopefully at the middle.
in the middle words, but also at the beginning of the words. And you won't usually find that vowel team at the end of words, okay? So I actually have some words I think that you will be able to read with our new vowel team.
A and
A. All right. And again, remember, I just said you'll see the AI at the beginning or in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to point and I want to see if you can read the words. All right, what is this? Aid.
Aim, air, paid, made, jail, mail, nail, tail, bail. Hail.
Hail.
Oh, yay, bail. Chain, blade, snail, trail, drain.
Good job. I know if you saw some rhyming words because all we did was change those beginning sounds. We took the j, put a m to make mail, and
And then take away that, and then turn it into T, and then turn it into an A.
yeah, so we made a lot of different rhyming words. Okay, so these are not all the words. So do you know any, can you brainstorm?
Yeah.
Turn it over. Any additional words? You don't want to jump on the chair. Any additional words that you can come up with on your own with our new sound of A? And we know this one is AI says A. What's the word?
Main,
Main.
and the other main,
Like Maine. Okay.
like on the 15 states.
Oh, like the state.
Yeah, main.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the E at the end.
Put an E at the end. All right. Any other ways to say brain? Okay. Any other?
Rail.
Rail? Like railroad?
Yeah.
Okay. Any
Fail.
fail? Oh. All right. You know Andre's not gonna fail. And is that all? Okay.
I might come out for a
Okay. Well, you came up with Maine, then the state Maine, brain, rail, and fail. Great job. Those are all different words, and that you were able to brainstorm on your own with the word using our sound A as in male. Great job. Okay. So now we're going to get to practice our new sound because by now, yes, we've learned 3 ways to make the A. So can you draw 2 lines and make sure you kind of space them? I know you like to write big. You want to make, space it a little bit. And now we have a new way. So what was the first way that we learned to say A? A, just saying plain A. Then what was the second way we learned?
A, E. Oh, I need to.
Yeah, it's okay. You can do your lines over again. Up, shake. Okay, draw 2 lines. And then if you just write a little smaller in the sand, draw another line. Okay, so the first way that we said A was what?
A says A. The second way was A, E.
A magic E says what?
A magic E says A, and our new one is A, I.
AI says what?
A.
Good job. Put your line.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Yeah, don't forget your lines. Great job. Now shake. Great job. You're right. So you know A says A magic E says A, and now you know AI says A. All right? Great job. I have a story that we're going to read. All right, there's yours and there's mine. And I'm just going to push this a little bit back just to give us some room. Okay, using our new battle team. So the title of the story is Rain Date. Okay, and I am going to begin reading. All right, this is yours. So you follow along with me. Okay. It was 9:00 a.m. and time for the train. Hank and Ming sat on the bench to wait. Hank had a backpack and Ming had a waist pack. Hank and Ming had a rain date for the big game. When will the train get to this stop? I don't like to wait, said Hank. The train is said to come at 9:10 a.m., said Ming. It is not late yet. At 9:10, Hank and Ming did spy the sky. Raindrops went splot. Hail went ping-pang.
What is hail?
Huh?
What is hail?
Hail is like frozen ice that falls to the ground, and it's like kind of looks like hard frozen ice.
A spear?
No, not a spear. It's just frozen ice, and so it's a little bit harder than rain. So I'll just gonna put that, and we can actually use hail in our vocabulary web today. AJ, we're gonna keep going.
That's why I did that.
Okay, that's fine. All right, but we can keep on going. All right. Where were we? Ping, ping. The train went honk. It was a train to the big game. Not rain, Hank did yell. Not hail, Ming did yell. Hank and Ming let the train go by. I think we have a rain date fail, said Hank and Ming. All right, so in that story, there were different words that had our new sound of AI in there. Can you use this highlighter and go ahead and look and see if you can highlight all the AI words in yellow?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to double check.
You double checking? Okay. And so let's see. Let's go through. Oh, there's a lot of them in there. I see you. So how about look in the title?
Oh.
Good job. Okay. So let's go through and let's see if we can read those words. Oh, you sound good job.
Triple check.
Are you triple checking? I think you have them.
Oh, look what AI.
Okay. So let's read them. What is this word?
Rain.
Rain. How about this one?
Train.
Good job. What about that one?
Wait. Waste.
Did rain, train, wait. Oh, this one's that one you didn't know. Hail. We're going to use that on our word rev. And this one. What's this one?
Fail.
Good job. And so the other ones just repeat themselves. So great job, Andre. You were able to identify all of the AI words in our story Rain Date using our new battle team. So we know AI says what sound?
A.
A. Good job. A as in male. All right. And we can go ahead and mark our phoneme graphing chart. And I'm looking up, so you can go ahead and mark it. So you see where it says AI? So now you can go ahead and highlight that AI. Yep, that's our new sound. And we're gonna go on to our lesson dictation to see how you can apply the sound. Okay, Andre, so at this time, we are going to apply the new concept that we used with our A as in male, our new sound, and we are going to dictate some words and sentences. Are you ready? Okay, great job. The first word that we're going to do is aid. The nurse had to aid the student. Aid, aid, aid. Do it with me. What's the word? Aid. 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 Good job. Point. Aid. Aid. Write it. Okay. Check the teacher's copy. Does yours look like mine? Okay. Rewrite on the line. Aid. All right. Okay. The next one, you can put your pencil down. The next word is sail. The boat has a sail. Sail. S-A-O. Sail. Do it with me. Sail. S-A-O. Sail. By yourself.
Sail. S-A-O. Sail.
Point.
Sail.
Write it. I know I'm tired too, but we're gonna get some stamina and finish. Sail. Okay.
I'm not tired, I just want to play.
Okay.
They haven't played in 1 year.
All right, so check the teacher's copy. Does your sail look like my sail?
Yeah.
Okay, rewrite it. Sail. All right, so now we're on number 3. You ready? Okay, the word is, you can put your pencil down. The word is chain. There is a chain on the door. Chain. Ch-a-n. Chain. Do it with me. Chain. Ch-a-n. Chain. By yourself.
Chain. Chain. Chain.
Okay, point. Sound it. On your paper. On your paper, point. Chain. Chain. Okay, now write it.
Oh yeah, I thought there was a big crack.
All right, you write your sounds. Come on. Just stay focused. Okay, check the teacher's copy. Good to go?
Yeah.
Okay, rewrite it on that next line. All right. The next word is maid. The maid will clean the room. Maid. Aid. Maid. Do it with me. Maid. Aid. Maid. By yourself.
Okay.
Nope. Pound it by yourself.
Maid. Aid. Maid.
Okay, not so hard on the glass. Point and sound it.
Aid. Maid.
Okay, now write it. All right, check the teacher's copy. All right, remember that the D is a tall letter, so make it tall.
Taller than you.
Okay, rewrite it on the next line. You done writing maid?
I know I need to do the D.
All right, great job. Okay, and the last word is tail. The cat has a tail. Tail. T-A-L. Tail. Do it with me. tail. 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 By yourself.
Tail. Tail. Tail.
Okay, point. Say the sound.
Tail.
All right, write it.
Okay. Excuse me.
Write it. All right, check the teacher's copy. Okay, rewrite. All right, so let's review. What is this word?
Made.
What about that one?
Chain. Tail. Shell. A.
Good job. All right, so we just have 2 sentences that we are going to dictate. We can go ahead and put our pencil down. The first sentence is, a snail has no tail. Do it with me. A snail has no tail. One more time. A snail has no tail. By yourself.
A snail has no tail.
Point.
A snail has no tail.
Write it. A
Lost. Has no tail.
All right, check for cops. And we have our cops post. You can check as you go. Capital, organization. I'm checking my cops. You check your cops. Got my punctuation. I think I've spelled everything correctly. All right, so now you check. Let's see, you have capital. Yep. Snail, spelled that right. Okay, sit on your bottom. Thank you. Has right. No. And tail. Looks good to me. Rewrite. All right, remember that organization as you rewrite, because you have that one line now. You rewrite yours and I rewrite mine. A snail See, looks good. Good job. All right. A snail has no tail. All right. Number 2, pencils are down. Kate put a hat in the pail. Kate put a hat in a pail. Again. Kate put a hat in the pail. By yourself.
Kate put a hat in the pail.
One more time.
Kate put a hat in the pail.
Point.
Kate
Kate put a hat in the pail. Good job. And it's Kate put a hat in the pail.
A hat. Okay. Kate put.
So try it one more time just to make sure. I just want to make sure you have it.
Kate put a hat in the pail.
Great job. Write it. Okay. Have my capital check for cops. Capitalization. Organization. Punctuation. Spell everything correctly. Okay, let me see. Check the teacher's copy. Kate put a hat in the pail. Yep. Good job. Rewrite.
You. And then we're done.
Okay, rewrite it. Kate. Good job. That period. Okay, let me check it. Great writing. Just right here, you may want to get a slightly, get a little bit more space between hat and in. But everything else looks great. Can you go ahead and read the sentences for me?
A snail has no tail.
And this one?
Kate put a hat in the pail.
High five. Awesome. Did a great job. Okay, so now it is time for red words. You ready? All right, so we have 2 words that we're going to learn today. The first one, I have the sentence prepared already, and I will read it. It says, Addison and Alana like to play together. Okay, so our first word is together, and I am going to write it. I think we're on number 35. Wow, we have a lot of words. Gonna get my bumpy board, and my turn. I'm gonna write it first. Together. TOGETHER. Okay, you go ahead and you write together. Addison and Alana like to play together. Okay, good job. So now together is a pretty big word. Yep, so we're gonna group it. So you see how I grouped it? Yeah, it is spicy. So I just scooped mine. So I have the T-O. You wanna just scoop
3
yours?
words in it. To get her.
Oh, you're right. There is 3 words in it. Great observation. So let's just group them together.
So that's a compound.
Similar to a compound, but it's not quite a compound, because compound is when 2 different words together make another word. This one does have words within the word. So great observation there. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop it. So you see I scooped it. So I have my T-O. So yeah, but make it because we can group it together. T-O. You have the G-E-T.
Okay.
And then the H-E-R, because that's a big word. Okay, so let's come and we're gonna arm tap it. You get yours. The word is together. Okay, so come around. All right, so I'm gonna move out of your way because I want to make sure you are in the camera. Okay, so we're gonna hold it with our left hand because you're right-handed. Hold it with your left hand. Just come bring you this way. Okay, can you see your word?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to tap it. We're gonna start. You ready? Let's tap it. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. What's the word?
Together.
Let's do it again. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. One more time. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. What's the word?
Together.
Together. Great job. Okay, let's sit back down. Okay. Now let's use our pointer. And let's go over it. Let's see. No. Yep, use the pointer. So actually, yeah. Let's say this. Spell it. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Okay, but I want you to I want you to write it with your finger. Let's try it again. Try it again. Say it.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R.
What's the word?
Together.
One more time.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R.
What's the word?
Together.
Well, let's try to put our grid on top.
Ooh.
And let's see if you can put the grid on top this time. Now, can you do it through? What is the word? Spell it.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R.
Again, and try to draw with your finger.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R.
One more time. Good job. Together. So now turn it over. Let's see if you can just turn that paper over. And can you write together one time for me? I'm going to put that down. Can you see if you can do it by yourself?
Yeah. I have a good memory.
Okay. Oh, wait. Check it. Does yours look like mine? Say it.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together.
Good job. So write it 2 more times. Together, on those lines. And I'm going to write mine.
And write a sentence.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Wait,
Okay, let me check it. Together. Great job. Now, can you write an original sentence? That means I want you to make up your own sentence. Yep, make it your own and write it right there.
Okay. I put together a team.
Okay. Remember to check for cops when you're doing that.
Here?
Yep, you can write it. Yep, start on that line right there.
I put together. It corrected my mistake.
Okay. What was your sentence? Can you read it? Can you read that sentence?
I put together a team.
Good job. And I like how you have a capital letter, organization, and you have a period at the end. Great job, Andre. So that's number 35. So you can go ahead and put that
In my words.
Yep, just clip it out. This should be, yep, clip it at the end.
Like another one.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe, no, it's not fit. Sorry, guys.
Thank
We need
you.
to open the whole thing to do it. I figured that out just now.
Thank you. And we added
One
together.
more.
Yes, so we have one more sentence, so I'm gonna move that one over here. You have another. So this will be number 36. All right. And here is a sentence I have prepared.
I found 2 rocks in the grass.
Yes. I found 2 rocks in the grass. So our new word is found. What's the word?
Found.
Good job. The word is found. I'm going to go ahead and get up. That's your bumpy board.
Thanks.
My turn. I'm going to do it first. Number 36. Found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Your turn. Can you write found?
36.
Mm-hmm.
F-O-U-N-D.
Good job. And could you just, yep. And trace over it again. I'm going to trace over mine. And I'm going to say it. F. F. O. U. N. D. Right. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. F. O. U. N. D. F. O. U. N. D. Okay, and so this one is not as long of a word. So I'm going to probably go F-O-U-N-D. Spell it with me. F-O-U-N-D. Again, F-O-U-N-D. Okay, so that's how we're going to arm tap it. So come around and let's arm tap it. Okay. Let's hold it in our right hand. Okay. Ready? Let's go. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Again. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Again. F-O-U-N-D.
Found.
Good job. Have a seat. Okay, let's check. Let's put it. Nope, not yet. Okay, let's write it. Actually, let's put it. Do it one time like this. Let's go. You trace it. Let's go.
F-O-U-N-D.
Again.
F-O-U-N-D.
One more time.
F-O-U-N-D.
Good job. Let's try to put it over and let's see if we can see. Get a little spicy. Let's see. Okay, don't jump in the chair, please. Okay, let's go. Try it.
F-O-U-N-D.
Again. F-O-U-N-D. One more time. F-O-U-N-D. What's that word?
Found.
Good job. Let's flip our paper over because I think you're ready. Okay, now try to write it one time. Let me put it down.
Okay, Mom.
I'll write it one time.
Icky.
Okay, check the teacher's copy.
F-O-U-N-D. Yeah.
Write it 2 more times. Okay, now write an original sentence. So I put my sentence down using the word
I
found.
found my lost toy.
Okay, write it right there.
Almost time.
Can you read that sentence for me?
I found my lost toy.
Good job. And you have cap. You really did today. Okay. You have capitalization, spacing, and a period at the end. Great job. So we can add that. So what word was that?
Found.
Found. So we can
Number
add
36.
that to your deck. And so we had learned 2 red words. Let's just review. The first one was, what was that?
Together.
Together. Can you read that sentence?
Addison and Alana like to play together.
And our last one we just learned, what's that word?
Found.
Can you read the sentence?
I found 2 rocks in the grass.
Awesome. Good job, Andre. And you are done. Okay, Andre, so for our word web, you actually came up with the word, getting our story raining. You wanted to know about the word hail. So I'm just gonna brought our literature story rain date back out. I'm gonna underline hail, the sentence we saw that word in. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and let you look it up. We know we look up the words on the iPads. You can go ahead and look it up.
On Daddy's iPad.
Yes. Okay. Get a present.
Click on Hail 1 or Hail 2.
Let's go. Okay, so what does it say?
It says...
It's right there.
Oh. Hail 2, welcome or... round pieces of frozen rain or a stone.
Can you speak up just a little bit?
Okay. Round pieces of frozen rain or a storm of this frozen rain.
Good job. So can you write it right there?
Oh,
So
I know the other hail. Like, oh, hail King George.
right, so that's great. So there's actually 2 different meanings of hail. So in this story, which meaning would we use? We use all hail?
No, the other hail. The round pieces of frozen rain or a storm of this frozen rain.
Very good. So go ahead and you write that definition here. And we know that because we know how it was used in our story. It lets us know which hail we're talking about. So go ahead and write that. Yep. So you would write round pieces of frozen rain. Go ahead and write it on your, in that first box.
Right. Or the rest of it. Round pieces of frozen rain or a storm of this frozen rain.
Yes. Go ahead and write that in there.
Write all of it.
In this. You have a small box, you know, you have to write a little smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going, AJ. Brown pieces of frozen rain. Now hold it up for you so you can. It's round pieces of frozen rain. Or a storm. Of this.
I can do it now. Frozen rain.
Yep, frozen rain. Rain. actually, the first thing we were supposed to do, and I didn't remind you, so that's kind of my fault, is to go ahead and write our word, our big word, hail. H-A-I-L, hail. Yep. And it has our new sound in it. Okay, so sorry, that was my fault. So now you did your dictionary meaning. So now it's sentence from the book. So we're going to use a sentence from the story.
Which one? Not hail, or hail went ping ping.
So I'll let you choose. Which sentence do you want to use for this?
I mean, we're not hail.
Okay, so
exclamation.
yeah, those are quotations. Yeah, so this is actually quotations. So because it's what Ming was the person talking. So you have to use those quotations, and I'll go ahead and this is the one from the story. Yep.
This is a big bump. Oh,
It's from the sand. It's okay. Keep going. Now it's an exclamation.
Exclamation. And then quotation.
Mm-hmm. Good job. All right. And just remember, we want to just have a little bit more space there. Okay, a little bit more spacing between our words. So we did our dictionary meaning, the sentence from the book. So now can you think of a new sentence?
Maybe we can do the other sentence.
But no, this one I want you to create your own sentence. So not one from the dictionary or one from the story. Can you just think of your own sentence to put here for your new word of hail? So what sentence can you think about?
Hail is a part of precipitation. No, too long word.
So knowing now what you learned about the word hail, how can we make it a new sentence, your own sentence? What do you think?
Hail can smash car windows.
Okay. Okay, just write it. Now, can you draw a picture for me? Maybe you can draw a picture of your sentence.
I'll try. Or draw a picture of hail.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I have to draw a picture. The window is open. Like it's cracked a lot. It's cracked a lot.
Okay, so you draw the picture. Where's the hail?
It's falling.
Okay. Good job.
It's the same piece of hail, just crack.
Okay. All right. So, what was the word that we did this word? What's that word in that word web?
Hail.
And could you tell me in your own words now? Do you know the meaning of hail? What is hail?
Like hail is a round, like when rain is falling, and then it turns. No, am I on?
Yeah, Yes, your own word. Just tell me, what do you think hail?
I think hail is just like a big ball of ice, and it looks like snow, but it's not.
Okay, well, great job. Thank you. And write your name on there. And you learned a new word today. How exciting is that? And also, you may get to see some hail as we go into our wintry months. You may get to actually see some hail outside. Good job, Andre.
I only saw snow.